Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a realistic water poster in Photoshop. Create a new canvas and fill the background with a deep blue tone, and add a textures overlay for rippling water to set the scene, and also place your main subject and mask the edges softly for smooth blending. Now duplicate the subject and apply a wave filter for a subtle distortion. Now lower the opacity to make it appear like it's submerged, and create a new layer for highlights and paint soft white strokes for water shimmer, and add lights reflections around the subject using a soft brush. Now use the gradient overlay to create light depth under the water.